video because I'm going to show you how to read your favorite books in just minutes using this application. Stay tuned. Here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application. If you scroll this application here, you pretty much see some books which you can listen to. There's some audios, or you can read them, but they're just the summarized version of the books. So some of them you may require a subscription. Do keep in mind the ones with the key icon or the lock icon on or beside of it. Those will require a subscription for you to pretty much get. So as you can see here, quite a lot of them. And if I scroll down, let's say for example, this one here or this one here, top on this option here, as you can see, it will take a while to load, but here you have some books, other books which I can read as well based on this topic. So here you have a TikTok type style. You have shorts or short clips of videos or songs of other books which you can listen to as well. So we'll just tell you what the video is about or what this short clip is about, and we'll then start playing just for it or give you key points as it relates to a specific book. As you can see here, Superhuman, this is the book, but it just will give you key points or hard key points as it relates to this book. So that's pretty much it for that. As you can see here, you can scroll again and see some other stuffs, and it will pretty much ask the questions. Some of them you have to answer them. Once you answer them or get it wrong, still will give you the right answer. Nothing much. So if I tap on the create button here, it will pretty much be able for me to paste a YouTube or TikTok, whatever case, link here, and it will give me a summarized version of the podcast video, or the case, or also the PDF file, any type of file that you had here. Maximum is 5 megabytes. Not very big, but we'll give you a summarized version of that. So if you have a book that you've been reading for quite a while, all you have to do is just attach the file or upload it here. We'll give you all the key points in that book. Everything. Also, if you have a video that you're watching on YouTube, you want all the key points from it, just paste the link and you're pretty much good to go, and it will summarize it for you. So that's pretty much it for that there. And the explore option helps you find other books as well as it relates to pretty much anything that you want. Let's say you have a book in mind, you know, a popular book, you can pretty much search for it here and you will pretty much find it. It's almost all book, but I can't guarantee that it will have everything. You can still search and see if your book is there. So once your book is there, all you have to do is just stop on it and you're pretty much good to go. But most of these books on here, you pretty much need a subscription. So if I tap on this one here with the lock icon, as you can see here, it will ask me for subscription and so forth. So these are your subscription prices. So it depends on what you want. If you want a 12-month subscription, you can see here the prices, and if you want to be paying weekly. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And at the top you can see what you be getting. So that's really pretty much it for this application, and here you can get a 7 days free trial as well. I'm not sure about the iOS version, but for this you get a 7 days free trial. Then you start paying the yearly subscription. So that's pretty much it for this. And if I miss anything at all, please comment below, and I will see you guys in the next one.